Hey, it's Christian here at Morgain Toyota. Just wanted to introduce myself and show you guys this 2020 Toyota Corolla Hybrid. Coming standard with a lot of features. I was truly impressed myself. Hope you like it. This is our 2020 Corolla Hybrid. I wanted to show you here. This is the 1.8 liter engine with the hybrid components. Obviously you got the blue Toyota symbol. LED lights up front. Obviously these are steel wheels with a veneer on them. Hybrid badging. Shark fin for all your connected services. Backup camera standard. Nice rear cargo area. And it's completely redesigned on the new Toyota New Global Architecture frame. And you also, I want to show you here, sensor for TSSP and your camera for TSSP. Some of those kind of nice driving features. So the battery's actually up under here now to save space. Got a little Toyo care, I can tell you about that later. This is what I really liked, the 8-inch multi-information display. These are all your safety features: lane trace assist, pre collision system, road sign assist, and just all sorts of stuff in here. You can turn on all these features. Hybrid battery. Basically, so you have an electric motor powering it and then a regular motor powering it. And it just goes in between, sometimes both. Brake hold, I love this feature, electronic parking brake. You have different drive modes, because sometimes you do need that extra pickup on this. But absolutely beautiful. 3 years of SOS Safety Connect standard. That's complimentary. And check out this mirror. Looks super nice. And obviously Apple CarPlay. I want to show you one more thing. Basically 53 to 52. Great price. Great car. Thanks for letting me show you this awesome 2020 Corolla. Hope you guys liked it. They're limited availability. We're only producing so many, and 50 something miles per gallon. That's impressive. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks again.